football to wrap up this season here. I'm sure
Exciting.
a lot of the Ducks and Beavers fans who were at Autzen today were glad that at least the rain stayed away.
There was
for
no
that
problems during the game, so they just
Yeah.
got to enjoy football
Cold,
going on.
but not rainy.
Although a snowy football game would have been fun. Yeah.
Speak for yourself.
All right, so what we have going on now is we're just waiting for the moisture to move on into areas of Portland. However, it is moving through a lot of the sections of the Willamette Valley, down from Salem up towards areas like Beaverton and stretching over towards areas near Gresham. So right now, it's just kind of right around Portland where we're not seeing any sort of precipitation at this hour. Notice that it is dry right here, night scene. Well, as we get to about 11 a.m. to about midnight, we'll likely start to see some of that moisture arriving here in Portland as well. Could start off with a little bit of snow, eventually turning over to a rain and a wintry mix. And then by the time we get into, I think, the early morning hours, we'll likely just see rain for us here in Portland. Areas a little bit higher in elevation, it might be a bit of a different story, but overall for the valley, I would say that snow totals are going to be on the low end, if not seeing much at all. Okay, areas of the gorge, though, that could be a lot different, especially from about Cascade Locks to the east. We'll get to that here in 1 second. Possibility for some freezing rain leading to some ice as well. And then that strong east wind is going to continue to be strong, and it's going to continue to usher in some low-level cold air for areas right around that western edge of the gorge, and that's why we might be dealing with a little bit of freezing rain. We do have some winter alerts. We have this winter weather advisory put in place for the National Weather Service. You can see all these locations here over towards the Coast Range to about Forest Grove, and then into Salem and Portland over towards the east. That's till 10 a.m. So as this moisture continues to move on in, we'll likely see that wintry mix and some other weather conditions. And then notice in the gorge there as well, we have that winter weather advisory until noon. It continues a little bit longer, and that's where I'm actually anticipating some snowfall. Satellite and radar showing that mix down to the south. We've had reports of some snowfall, especially the west edge there of Salem, some higher elevations there, moving into parts of Yamhill County and Polk County, and then stretching off to the east. I'll tell you this initial batch of moisture will likely bring some snowflakes for a lot of you, especially some of these locations where the rain is a little bit heavier and some of that colder air is being pulled down, and with that a little bit of snowfall. The Cascades has been seeing some very light snowfall as well, and even on our Lincoln City camera, we've seen a bit of a mix. Temperatures at 43 degrees, but we've had some snowflakes mixing in for the Oregon coast too. I mentioned the gorge. If you're doing traveling tomorrow, you have some friends and some family, try to get them to hold off to maybe about midday. We just have a nice window from about noon to 4 p.m. where there shouldn't be many problems. About Cascade Locks to the east, we might pick up a few inches there. And then from about Cascade Locks west to about Interstate 205, approximately maybe about an inch of snow, with the possibility for some freezing rain leading to some very small accumulations of ice. But that means the roads can be dangerous, and you might want to give yourself some time if you're doing some traveling tomorrow, or just try to avoid it if you can. I know we still have Sunday to kind of get from point A to point B. Futurecast here, watch what happens. We get that mix, kind of sticks around through about midnight to 2 a.m. Snowfall for those higher elevations, turning over to snow with that warmer air arriving. And we still can't maybe rule out some very light snow heading into some of these locations, but I would say good chance that we just see rain. Notice that we have some snow kind of hanging around for parts of the gorge into the afternoon, but I think it should be out of here about midday on, and by the time we get to Monday, we're nice and dry. That goes for Tuesday, and that will go for areas of Wednesday before we see at least a little bit of rain heading into Wednesday evening there. Snow totals shouldn't be much here for areas of the valley, although very light snow is possible. I would say into areas of the gorge is where we're the most concerned. But notice there's a big section there where there isn't any snow. That's because it's going to warm up and we'll likely just see the rain. I'll have more updates, of course, coming up here at 11 and on social media. 7-day forecast, 47 on Monday, partly cloudy on Tuesday. And it's pretty warm, Emily. I mean, this is kind of our one winter event as far as in the valley and low elevations. For the meantime, it looks like we warm up and we just have a couple scattered showers.
Okay, so just careful this weekend, but yeah, tomorrow's high is going to be lows later in the week. I'll take it.
Yeah, it's not too bad, a little bit later in the week.
Okay, thanks, Joseph. We are back with more after this.